Tired of being tethered to your printer? This video will set you free by showing you exactly how to connect your Epson EcoTank L6290 to your Wi-Fi network. We'll walk through the entire process step by step. First, go to the printer's control panel. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to the setup menu and press OK. Scroll down until you find network settings and select it, then choose Wi-Fi setup. Select the Wi-Fi setup wizard. The printer will now scan for available Wi-Fi networks. A list of available networks will appear. Select your network from the list if your network is hidden. You'll need to manually enter the SSID. Now, enter your Wi-Fi password using the control panel buttons. Be sure to double-check that you've entered it correctly. Alternatively, you can use the Epson iPrint app to assist with the Wi-Fi setup. Download the app on your phone or tablet and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer. Once connected, your printer will display a confirmation message. Now you can enjoy the freedom of wireless printing and scanning from all your devices. Having trouble connecting? Visit Epson's website for more information about printer troubleshooting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.